What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we've got a stock market portfolio update for you guys. So we're going to go through all the different stocks that I've got, and there is a lot to actually update you with, so it'll be an interesting video, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you are brand new here, please hit that subscribe button. I give updates to my portfolio in crypto and stocks, and I give, at one point I was giving weekly updates, but it's kind of slowed down a little bit now, but hopefully I'll get back on to doing it weekly. I've got a new mic, hopefully it sounds good. I'm testing it out, and also I'm testing out a new lens. It's very wide actually, so maybe I won't use this lens for next time, but doesn't matter. For now, I'm going to use it. And one thing I want to say before I do get into it, shout out to the guy who actually spotted me out. I was out the other night with some of my mates, and I got spotted, and someone recognised me from my YouTube videos, which is actually mental to think, as obviously you got to think I don't get loads of views at all compared to the wide range of the whole YouTube platform, and to think someone in my local town spotted me is just crazy. Comment below if you are watching this video, it would be interesting to see. Anyway, let's get into the video and let's see how different it looks. So the first one is Alibaba, and obviously I got into this because, well, Michael Burry went straight into it. He bought a whole load of shares into Alibaba, but I found out actually a month ago he sold out of his shares. I might be wrong, he might have not, but I'm pretty sure I saw an article that he did. And obviously one of the big reasons is why I got into it is because he was buying into it, and he's a very good investor. He finds all the things that people aren't doing, and yeah, it's very interesting. But either way, like beyond that, I didn't just obviously buy into just because of that, but that was a huge reason. Alibaba themselves, they are very undervalued, and the Chinese stocks at the moment are very undervalued. And the way the stock market works at this moment in time, people just go with waves, and I feel like that play at the moment, the Chinese stocks, could be a good play within the next year. So I've held on to this, and as you can see right now, well, I'm down £45, obviously, so it's not a great start to it, but I hold just about £2,000 worth of shares of Alibaba. But it is so undervalued. Even when you go at the max chart, it's crazy to think that, yeah, $300 it was at one point. So holding on to this, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. But it's been hovering around this mark for a long time, around the $89 mark. So next up is Apple. This is a really good holding of mine. I've not actually put the funny thing is, when I look back at it, I've not put any more money into I've not actually put any more money into Apple, which is crazy to think, because the last time I bought Apple was 2019. It would have been, I reckon, or 2020, around there. And yeah, I'm up 50%. So if I actually put a lot more money into this, it would have been good, but I've just not. The one thing I'm really bad at, and if people actually watch my YouTube channel, is I actually don't do what you should be doing. I should be putting, let's say, £200 a month away into the stock market, but I don't do that. I don't average down into my positions, hence why a lot of my positions are really bad. If I average down into my positions, I would have been up, my returns would have been up, and they wouldn't look as bad as what you're going to see in a minute. So that's one thing I will say. If you're new to the stock market, average down, put £200 away a month in, and I need to start doing that, and I'm going to start doing that, because that is the best way to do it, because you can never time the market. What I do is I bloody chuck in a bit of, like, let's say a larger sum of money into just a stock and go boom. But to be fair, like Alibaba, like boom, there you go. But it's like, I should average down into positions also that I'm convicted in, like Palantir, like that is a huge one that I really do believe in, and I should be just chucking away £200 a month in, or something that I can afford. But I don't, and I just don't know. I don't know why, and that's a priority that I'm trying to do now. So this is a new one, I believe, on the stock market portfolio, and this is my granddad's. He wanted me to buy into this, and it's doing really well, 8.6%, and yeah, Barrett Development, same again. We're up 1% with this. I think 4,900 we put into Barrett Developments, and obviously the dividends have helped pay for it, hence why it doesn't look like it's up as much, but it's up like £400, so it's decent. Lucid, this is another one that, I've never averaged down. I've just not bought in. I bought at 20 whatever dollars it was, and just not averaged down. So this is why when I scroll down, it's not very good. 68%, very, very bad. And also, I was stupid to buy at them prices. I'm going to hold my hands up. What an idiot I was. So I've lost a ton of money into this, and it is what it is. NIO's an interesting one because I would actually want to buy a lot more shares, because I'm down 42%. But like I said, if I average down into my positions, they wouldn't be as bad. But I just haven't. And yeah, like this one is something I would actually want to get more into. Palantir, the biggest holding of mine, and I know a lot of people have watched me since back in the day when I heavily invested in this. Yeah, so it's done really well in the last year. It's up 72% in the last year because it's starting to get recognised. It's actually starting to make some money, and it is going to be huge. Like, I keep saying it, but like, yes, I am down 29%, not averaging down, like I always say. But it's going to be a massive company, and like, I just think like in the next few years, it is going to be one of those stocks that it's a very hated stock. Especially the institutions, they didn't like it, and they're starting to like it, but they still don't like it. And Tesla was very like that. A lot of people just hated on it, and it's just done amazing. Like, it's done amazing, Tesla, like we all know. But I do think Palantir is going to be one of those companies that I do not know why. I don't understand why not most companies in the world would use them if they're saving them money and can do a lot of things that maybe humans cannot do or spot. Then I don't see why people wouldn't buy into Palantir. And you see all these job listings on these huge companies saying you need Palantir Foundry experience, blah, blah, blah. So it's very interesting how this could go, and it's a massive AI play. And Nvidia, wow, Nvidia has done amazing. And the thing is, like, when you're too late, you are too late to buy into some stocks. Not all the time, but I feel like you've missed the ride. And I think this is one that most people should look into if you haven't. Rolls-Royce is another one my granddad's in, up 8%, and yeah, not too bad at all. So Tesla, done really well for me, up 49%, pre-market's up 2%, and yeah, it's annoying because I actually bought a bit at the $166 mark, and I wish I just bought more, but you can always say that is literally investing for you. That is the stock market. You get greedy, and I get greedy badly. But yeah, Tesla doing well for me, up 49%. Virgin Galactic down 90%. Should we just skip that? Skip it. Screw it. I've only got 3 shares in that. So in total, we've got £22,070 in this one, and we are down 14%. I am literally, when I say it, my goal is to just average down into these positions, and yeah, and that return shouldn't look so red. Moving on to my invest account, I've got £100 in this, down 46%. I remember the days when I was up ridiculous. If you go back at some of the videos, I had like £1,000 in this. Yeah, not great at all. We'll just move on with that. So yeah, let's total it up and see. So we've got £22,170 in my portfolio at the moment, so not too bad at all. We have done better ever since Palantir's actually picked up, because it was $7 a few months ago. It's now 14, 15. So yeah, not too bad, getting better. Obviously, if you look back in 2 years' time, like when you look back at some of my videos 2 years ago, I was smashing it because I was just a bit of an idiot, really, getting carried away, not selling. I should have sold because I was up serious money, and now I've lost it all. But that's the whole point of this portfolio. I really want to be transparent, and this is the whole point of my YouTube channel. I want to be transparent with everyone to show you that, well, I'm learning all the time. I've learned so much since getting into the stock market, and I want to show you guys this because I know a lot of these YouTubers, they're talented people. They know everything inside out. There's some people that have come from hedge funds, institutions, and now doing YouTube videos. Like, they're very smart people. But I wanted to upload videos because I felt like in this space there isn't a lot of transparency, and I wanted to be that person that could show you it's not always amazing. So and also it's just nice for me to look back on and update myself and see my progress and tracking it. And yeah, obviously we're down in the dumps at the moment. We were down in the dumps even more like 6 months ago, but now it's looking better. And like I say, I want to average into my positions more so I can get a better average, and it's just the smarter way to do it. That's just, I don't know why I've not, to be honest with you, and that's another mistake that I need to sort out and act on. Also, if you guys want me to do a crypto video, please leave in the comments and give this video a like, because my crypto portfolio has changed quite a lot probably since I've updated you guys. Please hit that subscribe button if you're brand new, and give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.